Hello everybody, if you want to check your hidden battery uses by applications, in this video we are going to guide you through the methods for that, steps for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the settings application for that, the gear icon, or find the settings app and open it up. And you may scroll down and find the option for battery and device care and tap on it, or battery or something like that and tap on it. And again tap on battery or a similar option to see the applications ranked by consumption. Here you can scroll down and there you can look out for view details to look out for the battery uses and see applications ranked by consumption here. So we have battery level, charging estimated battery level, and battery uses here, and which applications consumed it. So you can just go off and select it and look out for the graph for specific application to see the foreground, background use and view system applications. If needed, you can just head over and see. And for today, this is mine right now, so you can just head over. You can tap on the application that you may think is consuming more battery, tap on it, and you can turn on the background uses limits for that, because you can restrict it or optimize it. That shows the high background uses without actively using them, and that is how you control it. Usually you can just head over and follow these steps and check out the hidden battery uses by applications in this section right here. So that is it everybody. You may follow up this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.